basically helping lifers, which is anyone who was sentenced to life in prison, but an indeterminate sentence. So anything from 15 to life, 25 to life, and then they're eligible for parole. So we went in and helped them at their parole hearings, first of all, and preparing them for their parole hearings. And then later on, if they were rejected at their parole hearings, we helped them go into the court system and write a writ of habeas corpus, which means we're basically helping them get out of prison because they're being detained unlawfully. We don't get as much client contact, but we're working directly with international criminal tribunals. We write memos on several legal issues, prosecuting war criminals, and then also we've been drafting judgments. So the judgments that actually go into law are going to be written by USC Law students, which is really cool. Right now I'm in the advanced mediation clinic, which allows me to mediate civil cases. Last year when I was in just the regular mediation clinic, we went into small claims court and basically solicited people waiting outside in the small claims court to come and mediate, because it's a really great process and gets both sides exactly what they want. A lot of times you have people who are in a really heated dispute and they both leave happy. A lot of times my professor will go through some of the things that I should keep in mind with me, just so I'll be a little bit better prepared, because our professor is a professional mediator and she's been mediating for several years. The tenant had not been paying rent for about 3 months, but had been in that apartment for about 2 years before that. So that's one thing that I was able to play off of, is that the parties are really angry at each other at the time that they come into the mediation, but as a mediator you remind them of all the great experiences they've had in the past and the good relationship that they've had, the times that the rent has been paid on time. I'm going to be working at a firm, Shepherd Mullen, in the fall, and it's a big corporate law firm. I'm going to be working in their business litigation group, and I think actually all of the experience that I've had in the clinics has been really beneficial that's something that law firms really look for, is that I have the skills to bring to their firm. And even though it might be a completely different subject area, international human rights law is not what Shepherd Mullen does. It is my legal advocacy skills, my writing skills are definitely are things that are transferable to the law firm next year. So I know that throughout all my interviews, people were very impressed and interested in the work that I've done at all the clinics.